A trash to treasure crypto challenge update for May 2022. Hi, I'm John McNeil, and this is the Invest Strong Network. Welcome. So, as all Invest Strong and crypto investors could tell you, we are in the midst of the crypto winter of 2021 and 2022. Now, this crypto winter has been going on for really since November of last year. That was November being the peak of the cryptocurrency markets. And it has basically been all downhill since then, with a few blips up in the interim. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I did a video detailing the great crescendo crash of the crypto winter that culminated on May 11 and 12 of 2022. Now, that crescendo crash has been a real catastrophe for the crypto markets. In fact, what I have certainly noticed is that the markets have had a very, very difficult time getting off the mat, so to speak, from that crash. Now, some of the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin in particular, has rebounded somewhat from the mammoth lows that were created on the 11th and 12th of May. But most of the market has not. And what I believe is going on here is what happens frequently in the midst of a mammoth shakeout in a financial industry or a financial sector, let's say. So here's the deal. You have persons, kind of like Brother John over here, right, who had gotten into cryptocurrency speculating, trading, investing, whatever you want to call it, in the last couple of years or so. Now, during the majority of that time, the crypto markets were on a one-way trajectory upwards with a few down blips in the interim, right? Now, this crypto winter that began in November of 2021 and had its great crescendo on May 11th and 12th has wrenched a lot of those people right out of the crypto markets, right? Because they have come to the conclusion, rather belatedly and at great cost, that this stuff was just too rich for their blood, and they just couldn't take it. And so once the mammoth sell-off wiped them out, they have decided to get out and stay out of the cryptocurrency markets. Now, I'm actually quite sympathetic to that mentality because I was actually kind of headed that way myself, right? But I have made a commitment to my viewers that for the Trash to Treasure Crypto Challenge, Brother Man will be holding his cryptocurrency investments and perhaps even expanding the cryptocurrency holdings for the duration of 1 calendar year. And that year began on December 17th of 2021. So, and I do this because I really wanted to go through a full cycle to see exactly the nuance that is involved in cryptocurrency trading, investing, speculating, right? All right. So let me give you some results, some of the latest results of where we're at here. All right. So I have been able to sell, and what I have done for those who are not familiar with the the Trash to Treasure Challenge, I have taken the net results of scrap metal, aluminum, recycling that I have done over the last 8 years and during currently. And the net amount of those sales, I've taken those proceeds and put them into a basket of cryptocurrencies. Now, the original basket had Tezos, Shiba Inu, Terra Luna, Ethereum, Polygon, Litecoin, and of course, Bitcoin. Now, you may have heard Terra Luna in there, and Terra Luna was, of course, completely wiped clean by the crescendo crash of May 11 and 12, right? So the entire amount of Terra Luna is gone. Now, the coins that have been left over, well, they have been clipped by roughly 56%, right? So that's 56% since I acquired them, right? And remember, I acquired them during the midst of the bear market, right? Or what I certainly thought would be the midst of the bear market. But the market has gotten, the crypto winter has gotten much, much darker even since then. So currently, I'm down about 56% on my cryptocurrency portfolio. That's actually up from the 63% that I was down at the nadir there on May 12th, but not very much. And this is one very interesting deviation that the cryptocurrency markets have made from the stock markets, because actually the stock market had been suffering a tremendous hit, of course, a bear market of its own in the last few months, culminating really about a week ago, the week of May 23rd or so, where the Dow, the S&P were down between 20 and 23%, and then the heavily speculative NASDAQ with its growth stocks was actually down about closer to 40%, right? So the crypto markets more closely tracked the NASDAQ market than the regular, shall we say, stock market of stable stocks. Now, what I have found very interesting is that the stock market actually rebounded strongly in this past week, right? So the Dow, for instance, has returned about 4.5% of its losses, and I've noticed in my own stock portfolio, it's actually up considerably more than that in the last few trading sessions. However, the crypto markets have not responded in kind, right? They're still down tremendously. And what I believe is that the great shakeout has happened. People have realized that this cryptocurrency investing, speculating, it's just, they're out of their league in their attempts to do it. I have recognized this also, and I am being very extraordinarily selective on what I do. Now, just recently, to replace Terra Luna, I basically began acquiring Uniswap, right? So we'll see how Uniswap goes. I don't know much about Uniswap, as really I don't know that much about any of these crypto tokens and coins, but we'll see, right? So far, so good with Uniswap. And as I sell my scrap, I'll be acquiring some other cryptocurrencies, and we'll just test and see how they perform during the duration of the challenge, right? Now, the good news, if there is any, that can come out of the entire Trash to Treasure challenge is actually the scrap metal portion of it. Man, I mean, aluminum, copper, even non-ferrous metals. Man, the price that I'm getting for those things is just unbelievable. And I've mentioned this in a previous vid. I just could never believe that the scrap metal market could be so good, right? So at this point, I'm not letting even a single can get away. If I see it, I'm going to collect it, and I'll add it to the pile and then use it for the Trash to Treasure challenge. All right, so those are my thoughts for this week. Please, by all means, if you found this video insightful, instructive, please hit the thumbs up button for me. I would really appreciate it. Also, let me know what the crypto winter has done for you and how it has affected your actions going forward. And of course, subscribe. Please subscribe to Invest Strong. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much, friends, and good blessings.